So we're fast approaching the holiday season, and you know the time is all about parties and everything is in full swing. And many will say that a party is not a party without high spirits. I'm not talking, you know, church. I'm talking about the spirits in the atmosphere and in the glass. Kedish Sukram, brand manager at Select Brands JA. She's brought the crew and the party with her this morning to tell us about all the things we see behind us, because I don't really do the drinking
we see the
thing,
crew, but we're not in a party yet, which is what we started. Morning, Kedish.
Good morning,
and this is the
thanks
great
for having me.
Yeah, man, it was our pleasure. Great and wonderful Raquel is the bartender. What have you brought here? What's all of this?
I've bought all the products that we're going to use to turn up the vibes this Christmas. So on our back of bar, matter of fact, welcome to Select Brand Chill Zone, right?
Oh.
It's all about having fun this Christmas, so we're going to be excited and we're going to celebrate with all our portfolio. We have our white diamond overproof rum, and we also have the gold. Our white diamond overproof is 63% alcohol. We have our
How much percent alcohol?
63%.
No, so that case.
So it is awesome. We have our full Speroni range. We have our Speroni Rosé. We have the red. We have the chill. We have the chill white, and we have the Prosecco.
Yeah.
We also have our beers, right? You know you can't have no party without having your beers. We have our Carib beers, and we have our stout, which is very smooth. It's called the Royal Stout, and it's right here, right? We also have something for everybody, right? We also have something for somebody who wants to put a little extra oomph. We have our Iron Moss Strong Bamboo, and it's right here.
So when you say the oomph, yeah, when you say the
Why you must come? They not tell me not about no oomph when she comes. So it's you me like the oomph. Question, lady, why you standing here? You're not the bartender. Bartender is supposed to mix something.
Most definitely.
Yeah? What you mixing first?
So what I'll be doing is one part of our diamond rum from our diamond distillery in Guyana.
All right.
And she will be using our Angostura lemon, lime, and bitters.
Yeah, I was about to ask for
This
those.
is non-alcoholic.
Yeah.
It's a perfect
Chaser.
for any spirit at all.
The first time I tried it, I was at CPL.
Yes.
So for those who don't drink alcohol, that's a good.
So
That's a good,
hold
because
on,
it's non-alcoholic.
This is what, no?
So this is our diamond spritzer.
Diamond Delight.
Yes.
I like it. What else you making first?
Okay, so I'll also be serving our Sperone Moscato Rosé from Italy.
From where?
From Italy.
So we have,
So this is our
When I go to parties, I always see them have all kind of fancy.
so today we're also going to show you how we celebrate with our Speroni Moscato and our Diamond Overproof. So you're getting the real party vibes on set today.
Oh, here comes Annika. I like it.
When people stand close to that.
Yeah, I like it. This is yours, sir.
And it is the
That's my
Speroni.
son. You can't drink in front of me.
Right,
I'm
so
sure.
Speroni is served well chilled. So that's the best way to have it.
And here you go, sir.
So this is which one?
This is the
This is our
Speroni
Speroni
Rosé.
So my dibs tell me I must do it and then you pour it. Don't derbs. I remember these things. Yeah, so and this would be, you know.
So this is our recommended selling price for all our products. We have our Speroni Rosé at $2,000 per bottle. We have Stone's ginger wine. We have in two sizes, 200 and 750. 200 is for $350, and the 750 is served by the drink. Says $120 per drink.
Realize say you want to stand up beside me, so come, we can stand up closer.
Okay.
We can get it by the case.
Yes, it is available in all wholesales and supermarket right across the island. So we also have our Sonatagen tonic wine, right? That one is sold by the drink. That's available in all wholesales and bars, island-wide again. And we have our Diamond Overproof rum for only $120 per drink. It's very affordable. We have our Royal Stout and Carib Beer for $160, and we have our LLB it's for $300 per can. So this Christmas is you can celebrate this Christmas very affordable with our portfolio from Select Brands. So we're looking forward to turn up all the parties, all the chill ends, all the family gathering this Christmas. We have the perfect products to celebrate this Christmas.
I can chat plenty, but I like it. Thank you so much for coming.
You're most welcome.
No, man. And David tell you how I stay, don't it?
Yes,
So, you know, my house are full as, my name Speroni or Speroni.
Speroni.
I keep saying Speroni.
Whatever it is, it's meant to be in my house, so they can come check me. Thanks to everyone, brand manager at Select Brands, J.A. Kadish Sukram, and also Raquel, and you saw Anna K coming with her ad self and nearly about now the whole place. All right, something to smile about. So that wasn't something to smile about, something to smile about on the other side of the break. But soon come, stay with us.
It smells nice.
Fun.